Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube music in background. So look here. Now play my YouTube on my background. When I'm locked, now it still play music. So I'm provide how can easily set up. So at first open your settings, scroll down, click onto apps, scroll down, and you just find here your YouTube and YouTube music. So YouTube music, click on, make sure to turn off this option, YouTube music, turn off this option, and YouTube, make sure to turn on this option. So note down, turn on YouTube this option and turn off this option in your YouTube music. So go back, open your any browser, like I'm open my Chrome browser, go to my search option, search it to music.youtube.com. okay, and play our music. Okay, now go back. So look here, now play this music. So that's it.